I bought this cheap, smart car. It has been sitting neglected for a while, and in a couple of episodes, I will show you how I got it from this poor state back to its former glory. First, I'll go ahead and clean my shop a bit because it is basically a construction site right now. Alright, as you can see, the interior, just like the exterior, is very dirty. The door handle cable is broken, so I'll have to replace that, and because it has been sitting with the top down, lots of dirt and leaves fell inside. Also, I will replace the wiper blades. So the first thing I did was to polish the headlights. The sun baked them really good, but with sandpaper and polishing paste I made them look brand new. Then I moved on to getting the front bumper back on the car. Here I replaced the brake light switch. Okay, everything looks pretty good on the outside. We'll get the interior tidied up, after which I'll get the car washed. My cheap car is looking awesome. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss the future episodes where I will take the engine out and see what surprises it has for me.